Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put on the website for sale a 1966 Pontiac GTO. Factory GTO, and a beautifully done car at that. Really nice red paint with a gloss finish. Nice car.
Such a nice car, and it runs so quiet. You know what I mean? For an HO 455 under the hood, it doesn't have like a super loud, annoying exhaust. Yeah. It's just quiet and nothing but power.
It's one of those cars where when you first drove it, when it first came in, you drove it and you're so excited. You came into the office and said, this might be one of the nicest cars that's come through Coyote Classics as far as mechanically.
Well, it's just nicest that came off the trailer.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? It's just, it had a really good owner, so mechanically, the only thing that didn't work on this was the radio. Mechanically, it's awesome shape.
Smooth running 455. Dad said he date coded it. The date code's 1970.
Yep. 370 horse from the factory is what this came out of. Power steering and brakes. And again, it just really runs and drives nice down the road.
XE code, huh?
XF.
XF. Nice.
XF, yep.
Power steering, power brakes. Looks like brake boosters newer. Chical tag.
I think the paint job was done. Original black interior. As far as how this one came as a factory yellow car. Someone repainted it probably just a number of years ago, maybe 20 years ago, something like that. Still looks great today.
Yeah, I didn't see any yellow on it around it. I mean, it looked like they stripped it all, did a great job.
It's super nice.
And look at the gloss, and that paint's awesome. It's it's red. It's a bright color, and you can still see the reflection everywhere.
I really like just how things fit, like the back of the hood, all that kind of stuff. This is what I'd classify as just a really nice local car show quality. Older restoration, but still very, very nice. Turnkey driver. I mean, a very dependable classic.
Yeah. Front bumper looks new. It's got a great shine. All your headlight bezels are great.
A previous owner put the 455 grill emblem in it. You can always take that out if it's not something you want, but
fits well. And I like the red line tires with the PMD rallies.
And those are radials.
Yep. Front fender looks great. Door fits well, front to back.
One of the other things is this.
A couple little chips have been touched up, but they did a great job on the touch-ups.
Yeah. One of the other things is just the floor pans. You know what I mean? Floor pans are just absolutely awesome in it.
Really impressed with the floors on this. It's just a rust-free original floor. It's all like bare metal, super clean. And so we didn't paint it nothing, just because you don't find them that are that clean, just rust-free original underneath.
I think the seats are definitely original. You can see just a little wear in and out here, and you can just see a little bit of the yellowing around that factory chrome trim, whatever you want to call it. Let's pop the back seat and or pack the seat open and just see what it looks like back here. Yeah, very well could be. It's hard to say, but some wear in it there.
Headliners.
I think it looks like it's original seats.
Headliner's really nice and tight. Your dome lights both work.
Yep. Headliner's original. Door panels are original in the back.
The wood grain in the dash looks awesome. Factory Tach. That works.
Clock even works, Dalton. Pretty cool.
Oh yeah, it does, doesn't it? That is cool. Neat car. I love the trunk. I'm sure you got the keys.
Yeah.
Really nice straight body. Quarters are super clean.
Looks like they put new rear bumper on it as well at one point. That looks nice.
There's that bumper Dad was talking about. Yeah, that looks nice. I love the 66 with the taillights that are kind of louvered. But just like the detail in the trunk with the matching spare and jack.
I was also going to look just back in here. Kind of good to show that package tray down in there. It's original bare metal. See it?
Yeah, nice and solid.
Yeah, it looks good there.
Look at this. The trunk light works. And I think, like you were talking, just these things. We got it from the previous owner. He's just a meticulous guy. I mean, the trunk light works. It's nice car mechanically.
Yeah, you got a really nice, you got another red line here with a rally wheel and a jack and all that stuff. The only thing I do see, Dalton, there's a couple bubbles right here. Underneath that back package tray look good, but just a spot where water collects.
It just seems like that. It's all nice and solid. There's just that paint's kind of rose a little bit.
Yeah. But like I said, I think the paint's probably 20, 30 years old. I don't know. It's been repainted a long time ago, but it still looks really nice. And like I said, a great, wait till we drive it. I mean, that's the biggest thing with this one as far as I'm concerned.
Look at the finish on the paint. I mean, it's mirror-like finish, laser straight quarters and body.
Yeah. None of them are perfect, but this thing mechanically is just, I mean, the whole car in general is just turnkey.
Looks good. There's your corner of the door.
I'll pull that out. A little chip here that was touched up on the corner. Really not a lot of chips. Corner of the door is absolutely perfect. Look at that.
Just in the 5 minutes before we started the video, standing out here, we already had 2 people come by and see how good looking it was.
Well, you know, we don't get too many GTOs in. Door jamb paint's okay. You know, not quite as nice as the outside paint, but it's still good.
Yeah, nice coverage, though, not all chipped up. I think you're just saying like it doesn't shine.
I'm saying just
well.
like this. Yeah, just a little bit, you know, coming in and out. But I know it's older.
242, which in the VIN number tells you is a factory GTO.
Got the correct style steering wheel.
Like you said, just original cord.
That's easy stuff to fix. I think it's like $80 for the kit. That would really dress that up.
Yeah, then you just pop that on if you want.
Yeah.
But it's kind of neat to leave some originality as well. Steering wheel looks good.
Let's drive it, shall we? Let's roll up our back windows to get rid of a little of the noise.
Pretty car. Yeah, windows go up nice and easy.
Visors are original. See that? Look, you even got your original mirror there. One little tiny hole, not a mouse hole, nothing stupid like that, but just a little tiny hole, something poked in through it. Probably had something up in here and just
got a door opener or something.
Yeah. Heater fan works. I couldn't figure out how to work the radio when it came in, and I don't think we fixed it. Looks like it's on though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes on. I just don't know how to operate the damn thing.
Oh, it's a retro sound.
Turn it on. How about that?
Aux in, aux 2.
Be smarter than the radio.
Here, just hold up.
Oh, you fixed it.
Hey, radio did work when it came in.
It did. Everything worked when it came in, man. Every bulb, reverse lights work. I mean, it just doesn't, we don't get cars like that. You know, no one fixes every little tiny thing, usually, you know. You do have a couple tiny little spots on the original dash pad, one here, tiny, and the 2 little ones up there. You can, very small. We already talked clock works, radio works. Horn heater works, temperature gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, gas gauge works. We're at full tank right now. Tach works. We're running about 500 to 600 RPM. I'm excited to take you for a spin on this.
Yeah, I haven't been in it yet.
Just listen to how quiet it runs. I mentioned it earlier when I fired it up. Outside, the exhaust isn't super loud. Even in here, it just runs so freaking good.
Yeah.
Temperature's up to about 160, 165 right now. Oil pressure's holding good at 20 at an idle.
Yeah, this idle's nice and smooth.
Brakes are right there too. I like it because it's not so cammed up that the power brakes and stuff don't work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Just an easy
car. You got a good pedal. Yeah. We didn't try the wipers yet. They work good. I just love this car. I don't know if it's warm enough yet, but we'll just hit it a little bit and see what she does, should we?
Damn. No wonder he loved it so much.
I love it. It's just the way it handles, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the steering, one finger on the wheel, the brakes are perfect, the shocks,
and that
everything
power right there, just
good.
break it loose by just giving it throttle. And
it's just right there.
Idle's so easy and nice.
Yeah, we just got up here. There's no big radical cam, nothing like that. Isn't that great?
It is. It's awesome.
I mean, it doesn't spit, doesn't sputter.
Oh, someone's gonna love it. Right back in the seat.
Shifts into second at 65, 70, 80, 90. Look at that. 95 mile an hour.
It's awesome. Allegedly.
Allegedly. Not really.
Yeah.
Not
wink,
really.
wink.
But it'd be cool if it was.
Yeah.
You like it?
I love it, dude.
Two-speed automatic transmission. And that Pontiac came with them. I think they were called a 300, not your Power Glide. They were Pontiac kind of version of them.
Yep.
But this one, the kickdown works great. The 4-barrel works awesome. And going down the road, I mean, we're going a good clip, and we're only running 2,500 RPMs at 72 mile an hour.
Yeah, it's perfect.
So I mean, the gears, I think they're 323s. It's got a 10-volt 323.
It still has all that line, that performance
Look at
right
that
off the
though.
get-go.
The performance is just, it's going.
And it's smooth as hell. Yeah, I love this car, man. You aren't kidding. This is just nice.
It's absolutely 100% quality as far as a driver. Something that I would just jump in and just drive right now, and I would have took this on the power tour. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
These actually work good for your vents. If you open that up, it doesn't have air. You feel the difference on that.
Yeah, that's nice, cool
You
air.
know, so now you can have the windows up on a 75-degree day. That's blowing some nice cool air out of there.
Yeah, it is.
I just really like it a lot.
Yeah. I'm right there with you, man. This is an awesome car. It should be as good as gone.
Somebody's really going to enjoy it. I think, like you said, we priced it at a good price where a guy can jump in and buy it and drive it and enjoy it.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Excited for the next owner of this car. If it's you, then give us a call. We'll make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.